dito sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, kasama pa rin po natin Sam Versosa. Para naman gumaan-gaan ng konti ang ating pag-uusap,
papagaan muna.
let's do Fast Talk.
Oh! Fast talk na agad. Okay, fast talk na agad.
Okay, Sam o ham?
Sam
Isko, honey.
is honey. Is
Guwapo, matalino.
matalino.
Face card, sex appeal.
Sex appeal.
Mayaman, sobrang yaman.
Sobrang yaman.
Peace, power.
Peace.
Love or money?
Love.
Old friend, new circles.
New circles.
Real life, public image.
Real life.
Most beautiful Pinay actress.
Rian Ramos.
May pinagselosang artista. Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? May nakaalita na artista.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Na-scam na sa negosyo.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Na-scam na sa pag-ibig.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Na-scam na sa politika.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? May girlfriend ngayon.
Not guilty.
Lights on or lights off?
Tama. Dim light lang.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Later.
Your number one rule in life, ano ito?
The greatest value in life is not what you get, but who.